Limpopo baremin noma ngiphuma lana eFoslo baremin.
Sanibonani babukeli ka lebitso ke Karabo Silepe ngwanyana wa Mokosi. Guys, ngibuyile again. Bantshile bathi ngizobuya futhi with another episode, and guess what, I am back. And of course angihambi ngiyi-one, ngihamba with my lovely uncle. Malume, please introduce yourself.
Sanibonani, dumelang Awusheni. Hello, this is me, your man DJ Salty. Ke guess hore ke nako ela, ke nako ela guys. Wherever you are, tloela phone, tloela everything. Taxi itswa ka mara yona o ketima, run ke nako busy corner. Bo Poppy ba philentse batho ba re ke di bzz. A ke tsebe.
Ke di busy what corner what mara ngizoyifuna.
Yeah, ba re di busy corner what yeah. Ke di bzz. Welcome to Busy Corner. This is the 5th episode of Busy Corner, guys. More thing, sit back, relax, enjoy this episode, and don't forget to
like, subscribe, and hit the notification
button. Isn't it bell or button?
Bell or button, can tell what?
Notification bell. Anyway, sabna lona ke tabatsela tse chisang tse maruru. Le bone the previous episode no nyo abyang ene no nyo.
Yo, ka DJ Warren.
You
Is Warres ne?
It's Warras. It's Warwick. Are we talking about Warwick?
Yes.
Warris is it's Warris, but it's Warwick.
It's Warwick.
It's Warwick
stock.
Warwick stock, yeah.
Yes.
So, anyways, guys, Mzansi, it's so cool. I think it's every 2 years now because there's AKA died, I think 2 years back, isn't it?
It was 2 years back. Same thing that happened to DJ Warris.
Yes. DJ Warris. So Mzansi, it's so cruel now. Arsali safe, gents. To be honest, Arsali safe. Linamo when I drive, I can drive up to Karabo.
At least when I drive, emela taxi fella. Yo, ebona mo gibeli taxi fella ka bang gosh. Manani uNkulunkulu. Angazi ukuthi le taxi engimele izongiphathelana. Angazi.
Anyways, guys, PP ayo kajeko popi ayo. Popi nke ba le teng nke ole noise o motse bona.
Ngabe kunomsindo.
Guys. She's flexy, eh?
Yeah, and she's funny.
She's flexy and funny.
Yeah.
So anyways, PP ayo ke motho wa Lesotho. Do you know that she's from Lesotho?
Yes, I know.
Do you know that?
Yes.
Did you know that?
Yes, I knew.
How did you?
Phela ngithi ngiyamuza umuntu accent ukuthi okay, lo or wala.
Amara Popi hana accent.
Uyazwakala. Akere le nne ke Mosotho. So like
yeah. That's why le Basotho. Yeah, anyways guys, PP hayo Wile Lesotho. As I know Wile Lesotho, but Ola she'll come back soon, I know her.
Yeah, guys. Akanlahlanga uyabuya kusho ukuthi lahli uyabuya.
So anyways guys, there's this matter exciting that's why I'm saying South Africa
it's not safe anymore.
It's not safe.
It's not.
I'm telling you, South Africa Mzansi is safe joke. Mzansi, it's 5 minutes fella. It's disaster, ne?
Yes.
5 minutes fella.
It's a disaster.
5 minutes fella. Another story. So tell us what happened, Barry.
Yo, and this thing it happened go Johannesburg CBD.
Next to
Carton Center.
Was it daylight?
Yeah, it was daylight. Bamuthunya, boom, in front of people.
But don't you think haona motho wa boning? But I think
obviously there were people, so obvious khona umuntu obonile. Because babaqeda ukumdubula, khona umuntu osheshe wayiposta lento leyo.
So fast.
Yes. 1 hour into iqeda yenzakala, tube sese kuma internet. So says not ukuthi okay. So kudulekile phela manje kenzeke sona so guys.
Mara he was a nice guy, you know. He was a nice guy. DJ Warris was one of the legend DJs, ne? Radio DJs. I've once worked with him. We've once met in gigs, the event, you know, now I'm a soul and R&B DJ, but like the house, Quietos and stuff. But I've been with them, so with him, he's I would say he's nice.
He's a great person.
Yeah, he's not great. He's just nice. Oh, I understand. Nice and
What's
open.
the difference between great and nice here?
Warris didn't want people or Bamo Tsebe as he's perfect.
Oh, okay.
No. He's a street guy. Nabulela. He used to swear. He's a street guy. You can even watch his videos and stuff. Juarez was one of those guys baloring locally. He showed Rihanna. I grew up in Okasi. Kimfana like he's a those colored boys. Or when the kasi guys. Yeah,
just like me.
Oh no, Bukasi.
Yeah, I mean like Nkulele Force. I mean.
Wena umlokishi wena.
Mina.
Yeah.
Serious. Uziphatha nje as a lady, but then mina like if mangangijika deep nobukas. Fana no DJ Juarez. Bukas.
So yeah, he's that guy. He was fighting for community. He was fighting for government. You understand?
Yeah.
So I would say Juarez was a little bit corrupt. Not corrupt in a manner.
Who corrupt Bokas?
Yeah, no, like the man guys. Yeah, like do you understand? He was a kasi guy. He was open. He was you wouldn't even want him. You understand?
Yeah.
In a club, you would say, which he's that guy. He was that kind of a guy. Yeah.
Hoshman Tariana.
Yeah, Hoshman Tariana. But you would say, but he had this side, being a gentleman, a strict guy who loved his family, who loved people, who always wanted to do for Mzansi. Understand? So I think he was killed on duty, and it's wrong, Joe.
It is definitely wrong.
Nailo Cheka, he was fighting against this hijacked properties and stuff around Joburg. So I think maybe I'm saying maybe Naba Mele.
Maybe guys.
Yeah.
Maybe
Naba Mele allegedly maybe Naba Mele Pampa. Yeah, someone was watching him, but I don't know. The person who killed Juarez is cruel. You are cruel, my man. You need to you need to be arrested for life. Like AKA like Juarez, like you need to be arrested for life.
Lifetime.
77,999 days. Hoshimampuru, Limpopo, Tamai everywhere. It's whatever.
I mean, like.
So yeah. So they say what happened actually?
So, but what did the suspects? They have 3 suspects now, and then it's allegedly that Owanowe has dreadlocks, and Basoro Guti, that person is the one who also shot with AKA.
You lying.
Guys, Nyanjel.
You lying.
Nyanjel.
Like for real.
For real. Nyanjel.
No, but these guys, 2 guys were arrested for AKA shooting. I think 3 also.
Hey, it's Lona Naibam, but Naibega involved in AKA Rama threats. So naye hlokuthi unesandla kulenteleya DJ Juarez. So kahle singazi lento le iyenzeke ukuthi maybe basonda umuntu oyi1 ukuthi okay manje target yethu lo so manje target yethu lo muntu so.
You know how media is. Sebabile Ket Matlala next week.
Yeah, nangale let's back leya.
Sebabile they've put it Ket Matlala. They say maybe he's involved in Juarez shooting.
In Juarez shooting. Yeah, I also saw that.
Yeah, so
I also saw that.
Yeah, so they said that you can read for us. You can read. But
okay, it's a popular South African radio and a DJ. Yeah, a DJ has been shot dead in the country's largest city, Johannesburg, sending shockwaves across the nation, grappling with the entrance crime. Stock. The popular DJ was gunned down in the city centers on Tuesday afternoon. Tuesday,
the 16.
Tuesday was dates.
Yeah, see, Tuesday was on the 16th. Mara, why? What was happening on the 16th? You know, you'd wish someone or you'd wish sometimes, or you'd ask yourself.
Bamdubule 16 man.
Yeah, Tuesday
Not
was on the
10.
16.
Oh, 10 it was that incident.
That incident, the
Yeah.
Soweto incident.
Yes,
Yeah. You'd wonder, you'd ask yourself, can't why was it? Naya guy got 16. But you know,
mara umsebenzi masobizile guys ayikho into ozoyenza. Mase bathi like siyakudinga ukuthi enze into.
and I heard he was gunned down like straightly, like it was facing him straight.
Yeah, angithi uyavela umuntu bebamfunda ukuthi sebamtholile. And like I wonder lo muntu ukuthi ulala kanjani. Ulala kanjani mfethu?
Abarobali, they don't sleep those ones.
Akusilaba abantu abajwayele.
Banalpelo tse mpe bao. You imagine you have a plug or utlwe ko utlwang from where you are and then you go there. They don't sleep.
Like nyotubula umuntu.
No, they don't sleep. They just plan it once. Feel. And then they go pa. But I don't think manaka sebele messy. Maybe it hunts them in future. Yeah,
it will. If Manjaiva hunts, obviously in the future it will.
But I heard Gucci but bayakeza with something. Like they go
like in Kai, so
yeah, but they go baya emfuleni and then baba nenkomo
nizofa.
I'm telling you, bahlinza inkomo, I don't know, and then they say what that like but they've killed someone, you understand? So but bayakeza, so I don't know.
Nizofa nikezele emfuleni.
I'm telling you, so they do that. So
ayikuthi ngenhliziyo embi makalo dubula DJ mangathi makangageza apha emfuleni angamthatha lamanzi nawamuthi
amshake ne
akubathukile nyana naye lapha yami. Yeah man ish. Okay, let me continue. So the police said that a 40-year-old media personality was approached by 3 suspects. As in Shilo, there were 3 suspects.
So there was someone who was watching actually. Because obviously if they say they are sure of 3 suspects or only weakness over rena re bone
okay. Also that is why abanye bathi babone wama threats. And bathi nesi
obviously no bazivala ama threats threats yabonakala ewa.
Mina ngizivalile kodwa nali.
Yebo.
Ne camera vele bayibonisile ukuthi okay umuntu uso ento. So lo muntu lo right now uyafuneka abakamtholi though. Camera nje bafuna ukuba neshow ukuthi vele it was him.
Mara bafuna umuntu ama threats. Now you could get arrested ngoba unama threats. Because they don't show the face. Mara they
it didn't show the face.
It didn't.
That is why lo muntu lo abasamfuna namanje.
Yeah.
That person is still on the run. Okay. So the motive of shooting is unknown and no one is arrested for now. They're still looking for that person.
Marathon, I wish you karba kamukriya is.
They will.
Hela, to shoot Waras, DJ Waras is even I'm not saying Waras alone.
Like shooting a person.
Shooting a person.
Not shooting, but killing.
Leana AKA. He was a smart boy. He doesn't deserve that.
Inyembezi zabantu aziveli phansi.
Yeah, you must always know ukuthi inyembezi zabantu kwena ochonka Zulu sawake.
Yeah, inyembezi.
Isn't it alleged injalo?
Injalo. Yime ngishoyo vele. Karabo uthi inyembezi zomuntu aziveli phansi.
And so it's okay. Yeah, so guys, now I'm really hurt. I'm touched. I'm disappointed. I'm touched. South Africa is cruel. Okay, not Mzansi as a whole. The people badulama are cruel.
Fail.
Blind.
Because right now in South Africa, even abantwana abancane.
And I heard a story. I heard a story. Pearl, allegedly, Pearl Thusi. Let me call Bambi. Let me call someone. Pearl Thusi.
Pearl Thusi, what is going on?
She's not answering.
Guys, if Nas good against along Pearl Thusi, still in Chelen because
no, allegedly Pearl Thusi went there. And ish, please answer.
Guys, lo muntu lo dubule lo muntu lo cela ukuthi nisifunisene because guys nathi phela manje sesasaba like honestly ngizikhulumele mina ngisaba nokugibela itaxi ngicabanga into eziningi so cabanga lento le if iyenza ku DJ Waras who are you guys wena ucabanga ukuthi safe kanjani na So uthi ufanele umuntu ozositshela
let me hear what she said. Umotsele.
December. Abantu baya-Decembera.
Oh, we're not umotseleng wena, and we want to ask you about so bare Peltus kyo, or no, can you share the story? It's fine, I'll just say it. Can you share the story? Poppy was here. Poppy, she's the one who called me allegedly. Pearl, share the story, I'll read it, it's fine. Allegedly Peltus said things, go DJ Warren's memorial service. Warren was a good guy. Warren, Jesus Warres, Warres called me, and then he called me so that I can bond with him, go Kamuring, and so on. That's what we did. I mean, what the fuck? How can
memorial service?
Yeah, like okay, here's a story. How can you? Okay, it's a memorial service. For crying loud. There's family here.
Yes.
There's girlfriends. There's wife. There's kids. How can you say DJ Warras? Okay, this is a story from Yolagazi Changine. Sharp. That was Peltus's Mamiri. They call you on the stage, friends who knows you better, and what. Warras used to work with Peltus, Cody, this music life, what. Yeah. So here is Peltusi. Peltusi saying, Peltusi called out for being too forward and revealing inmate information at DJ Warras memorial service. In her speech, Peltus said, that's Peltus. We went to a Castle Light gig that we were busy with. Warras was so scared that he would miss his flight. So he begged me to stay with him in the same room. We cuddled. And he asked me for some cuddling, and that's what we did. Indeed, in the morning, I managed to wake him up for his flight.
Imagine saying that on a memorial.
Like Peltusi, like sorry. Marawa papa yo. No. No, you. How can you say that? Like, how can you say, man, come on.
We are crying, like, memorial service for crying out loud.
She's saying, and like, how can you say, he asked me for cuddling. But now they call you and say, Peltus, come, like,
as a friend.
When you want to say cuddling, eh? Now the fans are angry. Now here's a fan. Heartful fans are saying Pearl went overboard.
Yeah,
and
that's true.
That is what never meant to be shared with the public.
It was never meant to.
It was meant. Wapapa.
Never.
Pearl was Peter.
Waflya.
I wapapa Pearl. You drive through. Fly through. Oh, fly through was Peter. Yo.
No, like, this is not necessary. Like, it was not necessary for her.
No. That's why they say heartful friends were saying Peltus went overboard. How can you say they called you to say something about, like, Peltus used to work with Warras a long, like, too much. Now, how can you say that? Oriano, yeah, he asked me for cuddling. They are parents here. People are grieving here. People are crying here. When you talking about cuddling? If you want, like, I think if Pearl never wanted to say anything, I mean,
like, sonke asikwazi ukukhuluma phambi kwabantu ngabe vele wasihlalela phansi, because lento le, it was not necessary for her to say this.
Imagine they call me in your funeral, Karabo, and then me I say, yeah, no, I was with Karabo, we were shooting, and then she asked me for cuddling. That's it. That's what the best you can say about Warras. You cuddled, and then
happy moment boy share naye
kuphela le. That's, and Poppy doesn't like Peltus. I can say why. That's why Andromete now she's the first one to say, sis, Peltus wa papa. Look what she did. And And when I read, I'm like, man, Piltus, how can she say
No
so?
man, this is not respect.
So I'm saying to you guys, Bonang, ne? Rest in peace, my brother. Rest in peace, and we let you to rest today. And yeah, it was so painful. But now we're living in a love lane. Somewhere down the road, we're still going to meet again. Understand? We die here, we still have another world to live
Another
in.
life.
Then we'll meet there, and then maybe go Tlebosi DJ, Tlebole someone bigger.
A doctor.
A doctor, or maybe only a second life, second chances and stuff. But rest in peace, my brother. You were so lovely. You are a good guy. We'll always miss you. You'll always be in our hearts. And yeah, I was with you an hour years back, and you are a lovely guy. You are a classy guy, and Bona. The way you said it to McG, Ware, he once said to McG asked him, more tombstone understand? And then he said, no, on my tombstone they must write nice guy. So I believe they wrote a nice guy to your tombstone. So I'm saying rest in peace. You
R.I.P.
will always love you. So Mzala, Soweto ure, bar Soweto, Binsa.
Kinali gigabata ko Soweto.
Soweto didn't sit in.
Guys, May 10 this month there was a party nyana It was hosted by who's this guy?
It's fine. No, I think I won.
No,
I think I saw a little bit of a story. MMC saying this guy must be counted, appointed, and like must also the event organizer.
The event coordinator, yeah.
Yeah, not something abe momolato, or because now Barry he organized an event and then people die and then now you just vanished. Understand? But you can say
why
I don't know, and I've seen it smaller nyana, but you can say it. So MMC, I saw MMC saying that. Yeah.
So this thing it happened. So I don't know. It's Deep Kloof. There's Deep Kloof and Deep Kloof.
Deep Kloof. It's in Deep Kloof.
Yeah, it's
Deep Sloot. There's Deep Sloot. There's Deep Kloof.
I don't know these places, Mara. Uno.
Deep Kloof. Yeah.
Yeah, so it happened with okay. Yes, as a 2000 is like beloved things, guys. Like,
yeah.
So they have a fun, and then we figure quantum. I'm a gangster. Lama gangster was bizarre ngamapantsula.
Okay.
Yes, abafika le bayenza havoc. Bahamba ngamaphanga, bafika lapha yana bangena. Yes, and then bathatha ugirl oyi-1.
Like they pangat people.
No, bangena like bathusela abantu. They aim ukuthi bona bangene bathatha amafoni.
All right. Yeah. Robbery kind of.
Yes.
Yeah.
Angazi ke ukuthi chinche kanjani ukuthi sebathatha ugirl and then mama bayomu rape la in that quantum lebe bafike ngayo.
Unamanga.
Yes, and then bamkhipha amehlo.
Unamanga.
Imagine like isibindi sokukhipha umuntu amehlo. Bamkhipha amehlo and then
ngaphakathi kwe quantum.
Yes, one of a guy naye beka lapha eGroove wabona ukuthi okay kenzakalani and then wamemeza. That is when community yaphuma. Okay. Yes, yaphuma yabayenzani
bonke
i-community yaphuma yabayenzani labantu laba
bayenza sekafile
uyaphila ugirl
mara kana amehlo
cabanga uhambe kini unamehlo ubuye ungenamehlo
so but the community like
yashaya these people mara khona abashonile
right
abayi-3
abayi-3 nabo bekumele babakhiphe indlebe hayi suka how can you be that cruel? Yeah.
Imagine abayi-3 and it was trending namanje isa trend indaba yakhona ayikapheleli like
so
yes TikTok igcwele everywhere igcwele this thing malume uyazi kanjani?
No, I've never seen that story.
Mina ngithe mangena ku TikTok yathi hello ngoba uthanda indaba nazi indaba.
Yeah,
serious it happened and then okay ngibethele indaba yena ithi nginifundele lana ithi one suspect was killed and then 3 others they have in case a rape, robbery and violence. The incident that left 3 children dead and others injured in Zone 5 Deep Kloof.
Yeah.
Yes. 10. According to the unconfirmed community report, a suspected gang vandalized a Toyota Quantum before attacking and robbing young people who were attending a street bash in the area. It is further alleged that a young woman was dragged to the sports ground near Deepproof Square, where she was reportedly raped and had one of her eyes gouged out. So guys,
wait.
this thing is
Wait,
so
wait, can I problem? Can you see me? Umpitsa malume.
Umalume wami ngizothini malume or ke re abuti ke malume.
Umpitsa malume. Tell her or ke nna mang. Ke salty.
Nna ke re malume salty.
That's better. But you say salty.
Malume.
Not on cameras.
Blood.
Not in cameras. Oh, hey, salty.
Okay,
hey.
salty.
Oh, the Narshebile ma 2000. Oh, salty. Yeah, no, salty, yeah.
So it happened, guys. This thing is so disturbing. It is disturbing. It is an eye opener to us as
to ama 2000.
Because like hey.
Yeah.
And mas cool as phone.
Yeah.
I know that.
Yeah, and there's a shorter video I saw. There's this guy, I could say the ladies were from the okay. The ladies are from, I could say from the 16 and so on. Understand, yeah. So here's Bambi, here's Poppy. So Nabatwa the 16, understand? So that guy moved with the camera. I think it's somewhere in Eastern Cape. The guy moved with the camera, and then he thought the lady is blacked out. She moved with the camera. Hi, mama, 16 is belly. Hey, 16 are done. The 16 are done. Mara, he sees. Move. Then he cut
the video.
We always wanted to know what happened. Bambi, hi. Hi, how are you? Sharp. Your volume is down. Can you turn up your volume? Or can you be next to the phone? Can you hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Clean. So, tell us what happened, Fred.
About?
I swear that no put or pel to what. Show me how. Yo.
Still happening. Yeah, apparently, since we're all mourning the DJ Warres after being gunned down in Johannesburg, right? So, Pearl on the memorial, Pearl was being too forward and revealing about intimate information at the memorial, right? And she went on to say, like, she would stay with him in the same room and they would cuddle, and it was just all messed up. And in the morning she would wake him up to be like, hey, it's time for your flight, can you wake up? Basically, she was sharing very, very sexual details about him.
Mara, imagine. That's why Usamrat is so pale.
Like, how could you say that? Whereas the family is there and probably the wife is there. If DJ Warres was married, I don't know about that.
Why it's bad. Imagine next to the family, the father, the sons, people are crying there. Yeah, now busy intimate. Mara, show me how.
Like, no pelon right now. Like some because like, how could you say that? Like, she wasn't, even if you did all that, you weren't supposed to say it on a public platform, you know?
Or maybe Nabon Taba Toriana Lena Warasena Mutsara Mush. Maybe. Or maybe what come? We don't know. It's possible.
Yeah, it is.
Maybe Kamela Baba or
I once had him.
She's trying to show Linda I once had him. I was one of his beach or whatever.
Girls.
Oh, understand?
But
yeah.
it wasn't. it wasn't necessary. It's not necessary for her to say that.
You know,
Like, it's not.
Pearl doesn't behave so well. I wish you, I wish you were there. No, okay, sure, no, Mota story. Pearl.
In fact, this is not necessary. It's serious. A hot discharge of firearm.
Yeah, yashebe sweet.
Oh, guys, I really wish not to be in the same room with that woman.
No, I think she went too far now. Eh?
Yeah.
Now she went too far. It's not nice. And try anything.
That
wasn't nice.
Necessary.
Yeah, it wasn't nice.
It's not. Hey.
Anyways, Bambi, we hope to see you and Ratawana soon, next year maybe. But anyways, happy Christmas to us and from us to you. Karo o Lesotho, mo le moteng o Lesotho. Una metse pere ngwaneso.
Like.
Una maluti, ke maluti.
Maluti beer, you know.
Okay. No, thanks, Bambi. Thanks for information. I knew very well, or when I gave all the emotion. Tabaya Pele now, and I try. No, it's Chanagasi Wood.
Stuck about Pearl. So, apparently, allegedly, you remember that time when I told you that Pearl was doing a phase of Lovers Plus?
Yes.
We didn't show about that.
Yes.
Apparently, she is also involved in, like, she scammed like a couple of Nigerians.
You lie.
Back in the day.
You lie.
I'm not.
Pearl.
Allegedly.
Pearl Truth.
Like the Pearl Truth.
Oh my God.
Onalidi Gaga on top of Gaga. It's just that we don't bring them up. When I come back in January, guys, I'm going to tell you everything about Pearl. I got tea for days on this woman.
You're lying. She scammed a lot of Nigerians.
Yeah, back in the days, like, she did a whole lot of things, bruh.
So no, we can wait. Plus, I know when I want you guys to meet. Let us drink coffee and talk about it.
Oh hell no, I got nothing to say to that woman.
No, Poppy, it's fine. Allegedly,
maybe not. It's alleged not. But something would go down that table.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Bambi, it's fine. Good night. Good morning, actually. Good night. It's good night. Ne? Good night, Bambi.
Good night.
Thanks. Hope to see you
Have a lovely
next
Christmas
week.
and a New Year. I love you.
Enjoy your Christmas. Enjoy your Christmas.
Well, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you soon, love you. Bye.
Yeah. Dikandeli. What's about Bambi? Bambi
can use babe.
Yeah, I know she doesn't like Pearl. Well, she doesn't like Pearl. To be honest, she doesn't like Pearl. Ka the story ne. Pearl sa last kema Nigeria wa. And that's so too. So they killed them.
Yeah, they killed 3. And then bakhona abanye abasaba balekile nyana. But yeah, hopefully guys ukuthi labantwana lomntana lokello athole justice.
Yeah, no. But other people go Tavenin, they were safe. Were they safe?
Yeah, they were. They were safe. But lokello yabashiya the rest of the people.
Why na I want?
Asazi. Because like ukungena nje like okay, sifuna lo.
I'm sure Bamas. Maybe they Bamas.
Maybe Talabam
Peggy or maybe Velek Talabam Begi Pampa. Fellow, you have to have any to Alaban Tabangana.
Mina 7 kuyabantu abadala angazi.
Number 2000
2000.
Clappy papu. Itavene Nikona.
bakhona
nase sportini
mina
nikhona
ngisesontweni ibo bakhona
bani wena uminyunguti lo. Anyways guys, thank you, that's it for today. And bona leskalebala nalo wena le Karabo le Bambi le Thabangi, we always here. And now we're saying happy Christmas to everyone from our podcast Busy
to you
Corner.
guys.
We're not busy, re hlala re le di khoneng. Anyways, today are so we
banama flashbacks
bakhe baske.
angithi phela Nicholas banama flashbacks angikhorayi.
Yes, Nicholas. So tell us, you remember there's the previous episode, guys, no? There's a story about her being scammed, being Miss who?
Face of Heritage
South Africa and stuff. So anyways, she was scammed. Agatholang price yakhe, she never got anything until today. So we're trying to fix that, but now watch out for scammers, guys. Watch out, there are scammers outside there. So, but listen, Began, let me tell you, there's still huge story about this.
Isikikaba. Guys, ngiziphethe. Ngintshele ngathi mina ngusisinyana womgosi, and I make sure ukuthi mangi-investigate ngithola iqiniso phela.
There's huge story about that scamming thing. Ne? There's this guy, guys, bona, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Because now, my zongena, this episode, you need to hear this. Because we've, like, everyone, we had a lot of people calling from different angles. La Josie Nasepitori wanted to come on the show. Bazokwazi khuluma about this guy. And yo, guys,
it's a lot, guys.
It's a lot. It's believe me, you.
Nizoyithanda.
Bazomangala,
bazoyithanda ngithi ngoba like siya expose.
Yeah, okay.
Siyamkhipha lo muntu lo.
But about 15 people. The one who were here with this 2025 Miss Heritage, 2024,
2023.
2023.
Imagine.
And it started from 2023, ne?
Yeah.
And a lot of scandals happened. A lot of scandals happened. Besides money, Pearl. Subscribe.
Guys.
Zobon.
El
Subscribe. Zobon. I'm telling you, the episode that's coming, I think we're still shooting it on the 1st of December, 1st of January. 20 people there, different Cassis, Soshanguve, Pitori, Limpopo, Tembisa, Fosloras, they gathered. Story Samushimani. And it's not even nice, ne?
Guys.
It's not even nice. People are doing things, but Moli Motemba Fanas, you need to run. Anyways, from me to you, Salty, don't forget, like, subscribe, and
hit the notification bell.
Busy Corner, Reba Busy.
Oh, and again, na your girl, Karabo Slepe. Kikwanyana wamugosi.
Gola mugosi.
Gogogosi.
Give Miss Mang, Miss.
Karabo, not Miss Mang. Karabo.
So, tell me, did they dethrone you?
Yes, they did.
How is that possible? You just say it and then it happened.
Angithi phela ngim-exposile.
And then?
Bekumele ukuthi send ama-contracts. Mina zange ngisendele contracts. Which
then
means
i-crown uzilo ayithatha?
Kuphi?
Never.
I-crown
so lala nayo.
Khona ushisile ke.
Ishile?
Ukasho. Khona ushisile.
I-crown yakhe?
Crown yakhe.
Yeah, this boy. Hey guys, leskalebala kere wala tellang 20 people. Pitori, Mamelodi, Tembisa, Foslorasi, Windmill Park, Boksburg. They gathered together. There's a lot of story. Huge stories. This guy. Anyways, for now, get out.
Merry Christmas.
Have a lovely Christmas, guys. Leskalebala besanama.
Mina mangiklopa, vele kumoshakala. Ukuthi ngiflope, kan khonakala. Intombi zingithanda ngathi ngifaka ikorobela. Egiyane bathi sanjolobe. Fonela usisi Rita, siyabangena. Yonke into is good, is nice, Joma fair. Singene sishifo eCastle Gamalem. chakuma bathi sigubhu siyakhahlela ngibona uswidi ngithi nja how are you namamithe phala phala